CHITUWO, coming from the Insurers Association of Zambia. On today's episode, we are joined by a team from Hollard Life, namely Claudie Muchindu, Head of Operations, Danny MULU, Manager for Direct Sales, and WAMUSHEKE MUMBA, Manager for Corporate Sales. Enjoy the episode. Welcome to the program. It's glad to have you here on the occasion of the 8th National Insurance Week.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Right, so we'll jump straight into it, and probably you can share with us why does insurance matter?
The main reason insurance matters is it creates a comfort for people to not worry on any eventuality that can put them in a negative position. So insurance protects you from risk that is bound to happen, and you're protected from exposure, whether financial or otherwise.
Wonderful, wonderful. Certainly, risk is a part of all of life. I don't think anyone lives a risk-free life.
Yes.
Unless someone just stays in bed in the morning and never goes anywhere. And then they're risking hunger if they do that.
Indeed.
Right, right. So, as much as insurance is important, very few people seem to understand insurance. That seems to be a very wide problem. So, how can we solve this problem of lack of understanding of insurance? How can we help people know more?
I think we can help people know more by providing a lot of educational campaigns, especially that our community hasn't yet appreciated the importance of insurance. You can see this from the penetration levels, that usually it's in the range of 2 to 3% appreciation in terms of how our community looks at insurance. So there is need for us as insurance companies, especially Hollard, to make sure that we put out a lot of information in terms of educating them about the importance of insurance and making sure that our customers understand that insurance is indeed important.
Right, right. So that brings us back to the issue of Insurance Week, where the theme is creating a confident future with insurance. How do you interpret that theme?
Yeah, we at Hollard, this I think goes in line with our belief. Hollard believes that we must create and enable a lot of people secure better futures. So for us, this is a clear explanation in terms of what we believe in and what we expect the future to be for our customers and for Hollard. I think my colleagues will also want to add on this belief, and we are very excited that it speaks to what we believe in as Hollard.
Yeah, so just to add on what my colleague has said, we believe in enabling better futures. That is through the services that we provide at Hollard, the innovation, as well as the financial stability that we bring to the state. So in this, by this we mean that we also look out for employees, even as low as individuals in terms of the rural setups. Mm-hmm. We believe in financial inclusion.
Right, right. Okay, very important. So what is Hollard Life doing for Insurance Week?
For us at Hollard, it's not about the Insurance Week or Financial Literacy Week. This is a continuous activity that we do, and it's part of our larger strategy. So as we are speaking right now, we have a team which is in Eastern Province, a team of 8 marketers speaking to the women. So financial literacy for us and financial inclusion as a budget for itself. So Hollard is throughout the year conducting financial literacy to our customers, and it's part of us. So in this Insurance Week, we have gone out there in the communities to speak to them, to educate them about the importance of saving, the importance of investing in available platforms of savings.
Right, that's certainly a good sign of commitment. Education is definitely not a one-off process. Okay, that's great to hear. That's great to hear. So what distinguishes the services offered by Hollard compared to perhaps other insurance providers?
I think building on to what my colleague has actually mentioned, what distinguishes Hollard in terms of our service offering is, one, we're passionate about ensuring that we educate our clients on the nitty-gritties of what our product provides, and we're focused on customer service. So we would like to ensure that we commit to our turnaround times, and post the COVID-19 environment that we're in, we've had to adapt on how we can continue to service clients even when we're not physically able to rely on the traditional structures of being in the same office at the same time. So what distinguishes us has been our quick response to our current environment, our continued dedication to servicing clients, and our commitment to ensuring that financial literacy is promoted within all the markets we operate in.
Right. That leads us very nicely into our next question. How has Hollard coped with the COVID-19 pandemic?
I could probably start and then you can join in as well. It has not been an easy journey because of the sudden nature of it.
Right.
But we have implemented certain digital solutions as a workaround to ensure that claims are still fulfilled and sales still continue to happen. Because in this environment, more than ever, we understand that insurance is no longer a luxury. It is a necessity. We live in an environment where risk can happen in any form. And as Hollard Life, our focus is life insurance, but that's not the only offering that we have. And I'll allow my colleague as well to speak to other initiatives that have helped in providing additional services to the market.
Oh, thank you. So just like she's explained, it's been a very difficult period for almost everyone in the world. So you find that as Hollard, we've managed to cope despite the operational difficulties in terms of face-to-face, as we keep saying. Insurance, life insurance is about going out to go and make it known to people, unlike the other types of insurance where people will actually have to come and ask for it. So you find that this era has brought about digitalization. This is where we are selling through digital platforms like WhatsApp applications. We're able to service our customers through WhatsApp. We're able to process our claims through WhatsApp. We're receiving documentation on WhatsApp, email, and we are having meetings on Teams, on Zoom. So as Hollard, we've prepared enough. I think these were things that we were using before. So when the pandemic came, we were able to shift into the new era of digitalization. So we look into the future with a positive attitude, because we know we are able to reach out even to those people that in the most remote areas. Right.
Okay. So finally, I'll just ask, is there anything else you'd want to share with our audience?
Yes. So now that the borders have opened, we know to say there's a basic policy that each and everyone that is going out of the country is supposed to have, and this is travel insurance. We've had phone calls, people waking us up in the middle of the night to go and issue insurance policies at the airport. But it's a policy that has been in existence even before the COVID came. So we feel this is the time that for those people that have never had a policy in their lives, at least they can start with an insurance policy. At least that wouldn't even cost you more than a 200 kwacha. So I think all those that are looking forward to traveling, please get yourself a travel policy with one of our partners, or even just walk into our offices.
And in addition to our customers, we would want to ask them to continue using our digital platforms whenever they want to claim. On the policy documents that we give them, there is a number, WhatsApp number. So if they want to claim, make any claim rather, let them use that particular number to send the documents and we'll be able to process. There's no need anymore going forward for them to walk into our offices wherever they'll be. Thank you.
Right. No, it's been a pleasure having you on the program, and we look forward to hearing more from you in future.